Yo, what's up, people? If anyone is here, let's see. Doesn't seems like anyone is here or watching me. Just give me a minute. We'll start. My hands are chilled. They need a bit comfort. And I think I forgot to close. I just came back after eating my lunch. Although it's dinner time, but I consider that lunch. Okay, so let's see what we have. Someone was just here. Okay, so where was we? We was working over. Okay, let me close this. I was working on the active box right now. Let me close that. Clear. CD. Instead of this, we need to go. Which one is it? Blender? Yep. There we go. Let's close the window. We need to stop this. Written the user flag and it's not a machine as a whole. It was no, it wasn't hard. It's easy if one knows how to plug that. Well, let's stop this machine. We'll continue with this later. Let's fire this one. And let's go here over the guided mode. And provide what it's asking for. It's submit 2 ports. One is closed, one is active, and the active one is port 80. FTP is closed. We need to work around with the FTP afterwards. What does it say? What is the name of unusual file that distributing reveals? What is the name of unusual file that distributing the reveals? We need to work around with this later. The unusual file. todo.txt, I guess. Let's try provide this. Yep, it's a todo.txt. Enter. And what is the version of a CMS build? 3.9.2. What the hell, we are not able to paste in here. Copy, paste. It is working, but why is it not working here? Did they disable the ability to paste? It seems like they did. 3.9.2. Enter. There we go. What's the password? The password is this. Bro, what the hell? Let's refresh this. And now we'll try to submit. And for some reason, it's still not able to paste. Damn it. Let's put it here. We have ROLAND DESCHAN. There we are. Now it's asking was the 9 CVID for the remote code execution vulnerability in this. And it's this one. We'll copy. Paste already. This is irritating. The CVE underscore 2019 underscore 17240. Enter. Yep. Another problem. There we go. What? Is this a wrong CV? What is the CV for remote code execution vulnerability in this? Okay, so this is the different CV we used to, used to crack the password, but we need to work around to get the CV that will help us to get the RC. That's where we was stuck yesterday. So that CV is going to be, I believe, this one. Let's try 16113. Enter. There we go. And let's try if we can use this script to make it work. Back to the machine. wget paste. It seems this Control-Shift-V itself has been disabled for some reason. This is weird. Control-Shift-V. Copy. Get here. Paste. Yep. There's something wrong with this. This specifically Control-Shift-V isn't working. It seems the machine is broken, or for some reason it's not entertaining the calls. Let's try open the new shell. Clear. Yep. It's not able to paste anything. And it seems now mouse is also dead. What the heck is going on here? Whoa. Let's do this. Most probably because of this, I guess. Seems the whole system need a powerful restart. But if I do that, the stream will get down. Can we continue with the same stream in any manner? Well, let's see how we can continue with same stream after restarting the machine. Did you know you can start reboot PC without losing viewers? Make sure Twitch DC production is on. Mouse task manager and click end task on OBS instead of closing it on YouTube. It is common for broadcast to reuse the same stream for many different broadcasts. If Okay. It seems we are in crisis. Damn. What should I do? If I try to close from here, as active, all stream recording will be shut down. You're sure you want? No. Damn it. vi poc dot py enter copy. There seems to be a problem with only paste. And why is that? Who cares? I'll just restart the stream. Let me just restart the whole system. Are we back yet? Seems we are back. And I hope the problem also has been fixed. Else that would be a crisis. There is no lagging, right? Join. Play next level game on your Windows 11 PC Game Pass. I couldn't care less. Okay, let's open the Obsidian too. Back to the machine. There we are. Nope, 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 nope. There we go. Ouch, my feet. Sudo open VPN. There we go. Lag. Close this. Anything else that we don't need? It seems everything is here. And need to move this here. And there we go. Now we all set. Okay, let's go here. Blender. And I hope this time we are able to copy paste everything. Yep, it's fixed. Clear. And we was looking for the CV mentioned over here. Get up. Remote code execution. This one. This and this. This is not the exploit. 5 years ago. Original discover. Send. I hope we don't need to create anything in here. We just need to like trigger the stuff that we need to do. Cause creating this stuff might eat pretty damn big time. So we will just go here, wget paste, enter, and we'll do vi cve, enter, change the URL, insert, remove this endpoint, open this. We have this one too, but this one will do. Restore. Get back here. Need to delete this. This will be 16 and this will be 3. Port number is going to be 9001. URL, it's this, I believe. Let's see. I think, yeah, that's the only thing we need to insert. The host, it'll take admin and other stuff afterwards by itself. And now that we are in, let's copy paste the username and password. This is the username. And delete this, copy it and paste it here. And with this, perform edit, enter, and the last step will split the terminal, netcat over here, Python 3, and cv this, enter, and hope we'll get the RCE, and there we go. Nice. Whoever written this script, it's pretty nice script, and it is pretty sorted script. There wasn't much to do. So what we can do is we can later on convert this script into the bash, and I'll look into it if we can like do it in an easy manner. Now that we are over the machine, let's go get the flag ls. First let's try if we can cat /etc/ not password but shadow. Although the user is www-data, I don't think this will have the privilege to check the password file, but still we can give a shot. And we are giving the wrong name. Yep, we don't have permissions. Let's see, cat /etc/hosts, anything that we're not aware of. Blunder. There's only one host. We don't need to work around with that too. The last thing is, let's go to cd home, and before that, let's put the stuff here. sh, and we got the RCE of the machine. The problem is the stuff we are doing right now, it's only limited to the CDF. If you ever get this kind of stuff in actual machine, you will be just reporting that you're able to read the host file or maybe pwd file. After that, you have to submit the report. If you're not doing that, you are going further steps away, then they might even don't accept your like bug, and they won't even give the bounty in some cases. So let's cat the CVE, and we will keep this script in case we lost anything. This is not sh, it's a Python. And after googling, we found this script. which might work here. And we're gonna put the address of the script here, and there we go. Now that I was able to successfully get the RCE, and this script exploit worked, and we got the RCE worked. Boom. Now let's check which user is sitting here, and after that we'll try to look for if there is any file. I don't think the file will be any helpful cause we don't have the SSH connection over here. So whatever we have to do is we're going to do it with the RC over here by itself. No other option. So we'll cancel this and let's see what we have here. If any other sitting here and try access them, and get the user.txt flag first. If it didn't work, we have to look for another way. So now we have 2 users. We have 2 new users, Hugo and SHAUN, Sean. Let's check what they have to themselves. So first we'll check Hugo, and we're able to enter, and there we go. We got the user.txt from here, and boom, permission denied. Expected. No, that was unexpected. Let's see if we try cd into Sean ls, and this brother hold stuff. Actually both are holding stuff related to the Windows, templates, videos, desktop music. Okay. The user Hugo holds the user.txt file, but the current user don't have the permission to read that file. Now what we can do is we can try HUGO, damn, SU switch user HUGO, damn. And if it switch failed, let's try if we can enter SHAUX or it's N, Sean. Enter. Let's try SU for switch user. Whoa, it seems we can't do that too. Let's see if we can find the password related to this user. And then again we'll try SU switch users. SH. Now what we have here, ls cd desktop ls mt. We'll go all the way back. ls and cd var ls. Damn, my fingers are in pain. cd dub ls. Okay, we have total 3 files. Let's try grep -I capital R and in bracket PASSWRD password, and we'll put the asterisk, enter, and let's see if okay. That seems to be a bad idea, but it seems we have got some good stuff here. Confirm your password. There is admin, user password changed. I don't know what this password is. Tukar Karalalun Baharu. What the hell? Confirm new password. This is another weird password. User password. No. Many weird looking passwords. Let's see if we can get a good one. Cyber Sinha, Nova Sinha. There are way too many passwords. Sinha. More gibberish password. Let's go all the way up and see if there is any which we can understand. Nope. Language password. Good evening or good night. What would it be? Because it's 9 p.m. right now. So let's greet you with yours. Good morning, sir. How are you doing? World, mad, Josh, glad. Oh, that's nice. Josh should remain glad. Okay. Where the heck is the password? Scroll up. We missed something. There. It seems the same stuff. Let's. Don't tell me we have to try all of these passwords. That would be chaotic. Oh, we missed something. Just a moment. There we go. And it's a kernel function.php. This might be holding what we are looking for. New password 6, and the length should be 6 characters long. How are you doing, Josh? Anything related to password? Show password. GS. Show password. Admin code. Incorrect show password. This is a weird looking password. It's in Japanese. Where else is the password? Show me something. Oh, we missed it. So there is this big of a blender. I don't care about that. Let's HTML. Let's see what's in there. Cat backup dot HTML. Show cat backup.html empty ls-la cat index.html, and let's see if this holds anything precious. And it seems to be an Apache file. I don't want to put linpiece here because that would be a disaster to look at. So we'll go one directory back. Shit. ls, and let's check this one here and see if this hold any password in it. Install.php to do we have already checked, but maybe it wasn't showing the whole content. Let's cat it again. CD plugin, no, the content, nope, in the kernel. ls login, there we go. CD admin, ls CD controllers, ls cat user passwords. Okay, there we go. Let's see if this hold any password in it. if server request method, this is contain the user, the logic, new password. ls settings dot php maybe. There are many files. config.plugin developers, cat developers, post echo admin array. Nope. Settings, cat settings. This one also don't hold anything. Settings, general, cat, enter. cd user.php, cat user.php, and this also doesn't hold anything dear to it. Let's Google and see where this holds the credentials. Cool, so far it's getting hard to just search for it. So what we can do BLUDIT password storage endpoint or file. If we get any, we are good with that, right? So can't remember login. Yes, correct. Can't remember. Database user.php. Okay, this is a path. Let's see if this works. cd dot cd dot and cd one last dot cat paste enter. There's no such file. ls cd content, it says, right? ls cd database ls cat users.php, and there we go. We got one of the hash, or we say two of the hashes. There we go. And we have got two hashes here. From this endpoint. Slash user dot txt. We need to in 2 3 4 trying to find the passwords. For users after RCE. Now that we have the users, we have the token. Let's copy this, and we have this free. We will do echo. Let's try if it works on this. Paste, enter. Okay, so first hash didn't work. Let's check the second one. The author, enter. Second one also didn't work. What we gonna do? Now let's use hash cat on it. Open the hash cat and let's use this first. Paste. Clear this. Blender. Copy. Paste. Enter. It's SHA-1. So let's copy this. SH, paste. We just check for this one. Now let's check for this. Both should be the SHA-1, right? Now we can delete these. Now what we have to do is copy this command, paste it here, and we put 100 over here and enter. Let's see if it can crack the password. Or do we even like need to crack it? Echo. Enter. Or we can also try it over here. No, we couldn't find it. Where the heck is this? Yeah, over here. Crack station. Motorcycle. Next. Bicycle. Verify. Traffic light. Crack hash. Couldn't find it. What about this? Crack hash. Couldn't find it. That means we are wasting our time here. From next time, I'll use the hash cat later on. First, we'll also check over here on the crack station if we can find it quickly. Okay, so let's go back, or just press the CD. It's home node set. Let's go home. Sudo -l. But we should be able to I think we should be able to switch the user, right? But we are not able to. I didn't found the crack of these hashes. So we will again try. How we can switch users on Linux. Utilize the su command. Other than su command. Su new user, but I think that's the only way. Who am I? Su password. No. If I do who am I, it won't give anything. So if I do this and try to get in this user, it again gonna ask the password, and we don't have the password, so it will throw authentication failure. What we can do now? We don't have the permission to enter, like get the password or switch the user, sorry, and we have the hashes, but we can't get the password. Let's see, but even if we have some services running, we still gonna need permissions, right? And for that, we're gonna need a solid user. If I do ss hyphen tln, and we have something running over 631, but we won't be able to ping this because either way we're gonna need the chisel over the system. What's up, people? Whoever is watching, how it's going? What we can do, check what's the sudo version. User www may not run sudo on Blender. Then how are we gonna get the version? Sudo -h, enter. Capital V, sudo capital V, and it says this. Let's see if this has an exploit here. Exploit 8.25 security bypass. There is, it seems. Let's see. And it says check for the user sudo permissions. We don't have any sort of permission over here. So let's see, sudo -l. It says we can't do anything. So user hacker can't run bin bash or root. User hacker sudo privilege in this. Then this give me the right hacker. Okay, so it is basically telling us to like run the commands that can add our user or like the sudo into the all sort of permissions, where you can see all means this can run any sort of, this can be run by any sort of user, so any user can run it without using these sudo. So it says the exploit is this. Let's try paste, enter, and now it's saying we trust you have received the usual lecture from local system administrator. It usually boils down to these three things. Let's see, su hugo, enter, su, the other user. I'm not sure if it worked, but I'm just expecting it to work. Enter. It doesn't seem to be working. Sudo do this. Okay, we are there. And we'll press the enter. Sudo tty. We did it do. What we can do here? Bin. If that don't work, what about the sh? Okay, we cannot run any of this. Do we have any other way? It says description sudo does not check for the existence of specify user ID and executes with the arbitrary user ID with the pseudo privilege, this, which is 0. So if we're pasting this, put 0 here, or instead of minus we'll put this one, because that we are performing the increment or decrement in the user IDs. So next we'll copy this, pen bash, enter, and it didn't work. If you're doing with this, it's still not gonna work. But why we are getting this on the very first place? Let's see any other place where we can get this exploit. Go sudo with vulnerability exploit without a password. This might work. Copy, paste, enter. Okay, password incorrect. Twice 3. TTY, it needs the TTY. So what we can do, let's see if we can spawn this TTY shell. We can disable all these. Copy, paste, enter. Cannot access by job control. Less. Now let's try to use the same command back. It's also doing the same stuff. Copy, paste, enter. No TTY shell. What about this? Unexpected. And what about this? ls. Even this not working. what about this one? And if I try sudo -l, enter, and now we are not getting that TTYL error. So let's try this again. I see. Let's give it one more shot. We'll go with the user 0, I guess. Or maybe how we can list the user IDs. I'm forgetting the stuff. List user ID in the Linux. Yeah, we can cat this too. Cat this. User ID. Is that the user ID? Over the 0, it's the root. And we cannot go upside. So we close this, and get back here with plenty of space. sh, paste over here, and copy the exploit, paste it over here. Copy, paste, enter. What the hell is going to be the password? Let's see if this password will work. And if I do su, oh shit. Yep, I knew it. Back. There we go. SHAUN, enter. Paste, enter. No. SUHUGO, enter. Paste, enter. We're not able to enter in any manner, man. That's absurd. How do we get into this on the first place? Should we check over the write-up? Cause that's gonna like eat plenty of time. Or maybe we are missing something over here. Let's see. Cause I am feeling we are just checking in the wrong version. Let's see. CD. This is just my gut feeling. Not here, bro. That would be pretty dramatic if that was the case. CD. Over here. ls. And we'll go over the same path, which is this. CD, paste, enter, ls, and cat the users.txt, enter. Okay, it's cat users. .php, enter. What the hell should I say to myself now? Anyone would like to criticize me in the chat? I would be very happy. That was a pretty damn dead brain play. I checked the other version, but I didn't check this version. Shit. Total shit. Now I'm getting angry on myself. Like, let's keep this if it come handy now afterwards or somewhere. But what the hell is this dead brain play, man? There is only one hash. And we're gonna copy this hash, put it over here. And we're not using any hash cat or shit. We're gonna use, let's use the website. And that website is, what the hell was that website name? It's this, Crack Station. And let's see if we can get the hash from here. It's not gonna be like this. Space. Yeah, that's the Crack Station, man. I was like, I'm getting pissed off on myself. Like, I checked the other version, but I didn't check the latest version. They have put it over here, even though I did said that we'll check that later on this, but I didn't check that. And I'm pretty sure this time we'll get the right hash and we will be able to escalate, not de-escalate, but get the login into the Hugo user or Hugo user or whatever that shit is. Stairs. Crack. These kinds of mistake actually become the problem into the exams. And be honest, I don't want to fail exam just because of these kinds of nerd things. And we have got the hash here. Instead of this, let's add the table. User hash and the password. Now if we'll go here, this is a hash, this is the user, and this is a password. Like, this doesn't even make any sense. Why was I even doing that when I already knew why that I need to check there? And yet I'm looking for the other stuff that may be required in afterwards or maybe don't even require it afterwards. Whoa. Let's use this with the command su to switch user. And this time I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get around cd/root su hugo, enter, paste, enter, and we are damn in. by far the dumbest mistake that I have made. cd home cd hugo cat user.txt, enter, and there we have it. Cut the box I was doing today that recently released, this one. I find this a bit weird, but it's pretty good box. But mistakes like this can take you like anywhere, which doesn't even make any sense. It was easy. It could have been a piece of cake if I just have gone there. But because of my mistake, I'm putting it on easy. It says what's the version related to this. So, like, are we going to use this? -1 /bin/bash, enter. Okay, I think we need to provide the same password over here. This make any sense? We went for what and we got what? This step could have been a pretty tough one. Let's see what this says. Exit. Shit. Sudo -l. This is what we would have been doing. Damn it. Feeling so dumb right now. Be honest. Check the sudo version. And the information should be, it's not there. Sudo -v, enter. Let's look for its exploit. And here what we have found over the Google. This exploit. I'm not feeling satisfied in any manner. What a dead prey gameplay. This part could have been a complex, but here we are. So let's try the same again. Paste. Copy the password. Okay, we don't need to put the password now. cd instead of cd cat /root /root.txt. Enter. There we go. We got the password or the flag. How to kill the mood. Cat /etc/ not password shadow. We have the temp user too. I didn't knew that. Sh. Clear all the garbage, including this, and we'll keep what we have /etc host users hashes. Which has CVE. Let's add the CV also, so I don't want to mess up later on if I ever encounter with this. Where to escalate the privilege? Let's go here. Okay, we need to provide CV over here. So CVE, it's mentioned here. Yes. Copy. Paste. Submit. Space problem. Now, okay. It's submitted. And the flag. Whoa. This wasn't fun at all. Like this end part actually ruined the whole mood. And this was actually pretty good box, to be honest. Because if you ever work around with any machine in the real world, you will hardly get any port open other than the Windows, or not, sorry, Windows actually. The if there is a web application, you will only get either port 80 or maybe 448 or 443, sorry. Or maybe if someone is using 8080 for some other purpose. So these three ports you usually get. But the last part actually ruined the whole stuff for me. If you're working with a single port, that put pretty like tough job there, because you have to look the vulnerability in the web application itself. If there is no vulnerability in the web application, it would be pretty hard to progress further over the machine. And right now I am not even like working outside the shell. This is the shell that I got from the from the RC itself. So after exiting from here, we are good. There are so many shells into the shell and shell. There we go. And with this, another box solved. But this box has, like this last part, put it pretty bad taste in my mouth. Oh, I don't think I'll work on this ever again. Even though I didn't use the write-up, it still messed up the stuff. Okay, so another box accomplished. Now we have 2 boxes to fill this. And I haven't filled this one. I'll check that later. Oh, sorry. I'm working on this cause Escape 2 just got released yesterday over here, and so far I'm only able to get the user flag cause I had to do live, so I didn't make any progress further, but I have 1 flag. As you can see, 20 points in the pocket. And how many people have solved it so far? This brother is beast. He got the first blood over here. 20 minutes, 24 minutes. Crazy, right? Okay, let's progress with what we are doing so far. And the next box we would be working is a tabby. Close the crack map. And don't tell me I pasted that somewhere else. In here. It's safe. Is this safe? Seems like. This can be published. I think this is where I messed up. I knew it. Okay, it's clean now. And there we go. Another easy one. And it's Linux. Creation date today. YouTube live. Machine URL TABBY tabby. There we go. Meow meow. Not a user, bro. This one, meow meow. Copy. Paste the URL. And fire the machine. Guys, like the video if you're watching, man. Don't just sit there. At least 10-20 likes, if not much. People don't like the video. Ouch. I put so much effort. At least that's what I think. And actually put too much efforts. It's are cold. By the time it fire up, let's create mkdir tabby cd tabby clear. And let me check the office messages if there is any. I've got There are 2 updates. Let me put the message. Okay. We have the target. So let's put this here. Here, tabby dot HTTP. If we ever need to use, then we'll use this one. And over here, provide the IP address, copy, drop, paste, and boom, enter. And I hope I'm audible. Yo. Is there anyone else who is working over the OSCP or the YouTube? I'm not sure if there is anyone, but maybe. Port 22, port 80, and port 8080. Like, we might be having the 2 application running, one over the 80 and the second one over the 8080. So we'll be working with both. Let's see, by the time it's going here, let's see if we can also run the nuclei without shit, without giving the HTTP or the stuff. Scan has been finished. Script scan has been finished. Oh no, it's running now. After this scan, we'll get our result, which ports are open and what's going on around here. And nuclei also started working. I don't think we can use the nuclei into the OSCP exam. Can we? Let's see. Can we use nuclei in OSCP exam? There are many, as many of you gear up for OSCP. Your penetration test skill and ability to think on your feet. I want to share how the tool nuclei can enhance your preparation. Who the cares about the preparation? Why use nuclei for OSCP prep? Bro, can we use it into the exam itself? In the prep, I can understand which tools are allowed. Let's check this back. Google can be used. 70 out of 80. are allowed. Mimicards, WinRAM, I know about these, but is there anything specified for nuclei? Nope. Then we might be able to use it. NUCLEI, nothing mentioned over here. Then we might be able to use it in the exam. And for now, let's copy this. Damn it. Holy moly. Whoa, 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 whoa. Copy, and paste it into our notes. There we go. So what we have the port 80 running the mega host, must be some sort of service or something. And the next we have Tomcat running over here with the methods allowed. Post head get an option. Proxy might be redirecting requests. Okay, so let's check both what we can get over here. And SSH is out of the question because we can't directly get into the SSH from here. So let's see. We have 3 ports open, and we'll start with 80 and see what we have over there. SSH. Guys, if someone is watching, please consider liking the stream if you're enjoying, else up to you. Who am I to judge, right? At least that will help me get the reach for the people who actually want to enjoy the ride or the journey. And I also like to interact with people if someone would like to. Enter. Mega hosting. What is this about? Apache modernizer. Compare our prices. Free trial. Compare. And don't tell me it's gonna open Thunderbird. I hope it don't. And it didn't. That's good. Okay, so this seems to be a static page. Let's see in the view source code what we have here. We have assets where CSS and other JavaScript stuff is sitting. You're using outdated browser. Browseip.com. Upgrade your browser. No, I'm not a fool to take. Click the links. Toggle. Yep, it's total static. There is a mega hosting.htb news file is equal to statement. Let's it seems we need to add the host, but if we don't add the host, copy this, paste this instead, enter. Will it still take us there? Yes, it did. Let's check what else is there. statement. Oof. Only one endpoint. Today is Sunday, right? Okay. We have found only one endpoint. This is the static page hosted over the port 80. Let's check for other endpoints and also run what nuclei to see if that can disclose any information. And I guess we have got everything from the nuclei too, but nothing worth highlighting. There we go. Email extractor. One email doesn't make any good. Oh yeah, we can also check if there is any username or something which might be able to help us afterwards. Although there is a sales, but let's see. Nope. Made with love. Other than the sales mentioned, there isn't any other username or something. We apologize to all our customer for your previous data breach. Okay, we have changed the site to remove this tool and have invested heavily in more secure server. Like if everyone can understand this, how good it would be. Let's see etc/hosts if there is any LFI running, and it seems there might be. Password // enter. I knew it. Okay, we got LFI. Now we'll go here. I also checked the source view source code of this page. Port 80, and in there I got one endpoint. This is fun when you are not looking into the write-up and you are like going with the flow and you are actually making your own discoveries, right? And there I found one endpoint, which is let's go back to source code, zoom in, club this all, and there. We'll take this screenshot, highlight the endpoint, and what else? This is the endpoint. This is the endpoint. This is the one I'm talking about. You can see here, right? Over here. Right here. Yes. In the screen shot. I think I should start making the report instead of write-up. But if I'll start creating the write-up, like the report, everything will go missing from here. That should be a different part, I think. What do you say? And when I visited this endpoint, it says something. They are sorry for data breach, and yet they have LFI sitting over the system. They are apologizing sincerely. Sincerely. Yet, if you see the URL, it contain the what do we say when we have something in the URL that can contain any statement? Tell me, people, what do we say to that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we call that parameter. File is equal to parameter which can take input from the user or anyone who... Hello sir, how are you doing? People don't answer the questions, man. This is hard. Try to contribute. If you're wrong, doesn't mean then like anyone will be trolling. Even if you're getting trolled, you're learning something, right? So start giving the answer when someone is asking the question. You cannot become smart if you sit in the room where you are the smart one. Sit where you feel yourself that you are dumb. That's why I'm here. I'm looking for the smart people over here. Those who can make me feel dumb. And I will feel more dumb if you guys can like the stream. Thank you. Okay, so they are apologizing sincerely, yet if you see the URL, we got the parameter. Well, which can, okay, let's make it like this. Which can take input from the user or anyone who Bro, do you live in India? Yes, I do live in India. But I won't be disclosing where I live in India. Or anyone which can take input from the user or anyone whoever is accessing the URL. And we need to highlight over here. Remember to change the host if you didn't add the host into the etc/hosts file with IP address. That will sort the issue that the page wasn't working. So now that we have the information disclosure here, and I'm having itching in my head, and out of curiosity, I tried LFI over. I hope I have something related to LFI like this. No, I don't have. So we'll highlight it like this over the endpoint. Bro, what are you doing? Now I'm working on the next box. The previous one has been finished. If you swipe back a bit into the stream, you'll see that just few minutes ago, or maybe 30 minutes or like some time back, just finished the previous box. Now we are working on the tabby. And we got this. Let's go with this. I think we can even curl this. If I do this one looks better. No. Where did it go? //. Bro, should I use GPT for debugging? Yeah, why not? Go for it. As long as you're utilizing it for the like learning purpose, as long as you're not misusing it for other than understanding what something is doing, or like you're trying to make it work for yourself, then that will be a pretty damn big loss, because you won't be learning anything out of it. As long as you're using it as a source of information where you can like ask the question and it can give you answer in the simpler term which you can understand, then it is pretty good source to learn from. So yes, why not? Go for it. So now let's use it. Let's use curl over here, because at some point you might not have the access to the ChatGPT or like any other AI tool, so you'll be relying on your own information or your own knowledge. So that's where it becomes the wall breaker. That's the knowledge you're actually holding. Let's use the curl over here so we can temper faster. What's your rank in Hack the Box? Before, like, are you professional? What do you think what I am? Right now, let's see if I haven't dropped back. It should be over hacker. Yeah, it's hacker. I was like pursuing pretty heavily some time back. Not that time back, it seems month or two back, and you can see the progress over here. Let me show you the progress chart over here in the last 3 months. There you can see 6 months. Yeah, over here in between from September I started working over the machines and did pretty much easy ones all, and I started working on the medium ones too. But here I have created a team. Where is it? It should be here. Network error. Where the hell is the team? It's not showing the team. Bad. Team ranking. There's the one. So this stopped working, then I stopped struggling with these boxes. So after that I thought let's pursue the certification. So I'm back over here. Now I'm not doing any active box. Otherwise by now I would have been over the elite hacker, if that's the next rank is. No, the next one is the pro hacker, right? Yes, the pro hacker. I would have been pro hacker by now over the hack the box. What do you think, brother? Excuse me, brother. Okay, so we are back over here. And do we need to check stuff here anymore? It doesn't matter, man, if you're a pro or if you are elite, if you're a genius. Everyone makes mistake and everyone learns from it. I have seen like pro hackers, those who have like exploded the whole environment in the offices, and later on they are good everywhere, but everyone make mistakes. It doesn't mean if you're a pro hacker, elite hacker, you don't make mistakes. So it's just a label. It's all about what you know. So we'll copy this, paste, enter. We are getting information, and also we have got the usernames or username. It's username, which is Ash. Well, let's see if there is any other user we can find. We will use. Can I ask you a dumb question? Shoot. Who cares about if it's a dumb or not? Crap. Question is a question. Doesn't differ with the dumb or whatever. If you don't ask the question, you won't get the answer. It's that simple. Start asking the question, you'll start getting the answers. I hope I don't get copyright just by mumbling this. We have this file. Now can we also get shadow? We don't have access. Did you have that much capability hack the banking institution? Do you want to take down my stream, bro? It always come like which type of environment you're working, what sort of like vulnerabilities it has. For example, let me put you in a condition where you'll be able to understand better. There is someone who is like growing up into the environment where he has the access of firewalls, he has the access of servers, like the physical devices, to be in a precise, and he start learning how to host these kind of stuff and work within in it. He will have a good knowledge which place he want to tweak to make something right and make something mess, correct? So if you have alter intentions, you will learn how to crack these kinds of system. If you have the other intention, you will learn how to configure this in this kind of systems. So it's all about what sort of profession you pursue. And in the banking sector, yes, you can do, and I'm not sure if I have that much capability because I never worked in the bank, and I don't even want to comment on it because I don't want someone to pinging me next time and asking to take down the stream. I'm trying to make a living, man, over here, and try to educate the people. So if you have the knowledge, it's all up to you which way you can or you want to use it to, for a good or for a bad. You're getting my point, are you, or not? The thing is, I can't answer you clearly what the right answer is. But yes, I never worked into the banking environment, so I can't comment on it. Okay, so let's see if we can also read the file home/ash/user.txt. Enter. We can't. This don't have the permissions. Yes. We can check the let's see, etc/hosts. Can we read that? Yes, we can read that, and it's saying the mega hosting and tabby, so not worth checking. And it says, okay, we have one more thing, and that is the nmap output says there is are you making report? No, I'm not making report, I'm making the write-up right now. Report is a different style, and write-up is a different style. In report, you specify like what's the vulnerability, what's this vulnerability is about, what's its severity, what's its impact. Depends on if you're writing a business impact or the severity impact. Then you will write the recommendation or maybe mitigation after that, and after that you will provide the proof of concept or step to reproduce, or you can provide step to reproduce before the mitigation or recommendation. So this is how the report format work. I'll show it someday when I'll be making the report. Well, after some time I'll be making those too. Let me show you. I can't show you the report that I have created so far, but I can show you how the format will look like for the report section. Let's see, report template. Do we have anything? Poof. Think I have added it in somewhere else. So let's go here. And if I add report template here, so this is how the report template actually looks like. So here, and this is a single report template. We are just sending the single vulnerability, but when you are sending the multiple vulnerabilities, that template would differ in a very different manner. So if you see the date when the vulnerability was discovered, reporter name, which is you or someone else, did you add images? Yeah, when you provide the proof of concepts, then you add the images, and if image doesn't justify, you even add the video over there. So that way you have actually proof if someone says that it's not working over their end, so you can send them the video that this is how it's working over my end, and you can ask for like the actual stuff there. Then over here, the description about it, I found the S3 bucket disclosure into one of the hospital, and this is actual. So I reported them, and that's why you are seeing this vulnerability description. And the impact you can see over here, the vulnerability possesses significant risk, patient privacy, that was also violating the data protection regulations, and it could lead to like identity theft, financial fraud, and some other stuff. And what it was disclosing, let me show you. Data exposure, the patient test reports, the billing information, which was like how the person has like got the bills or paid the bills. It was insurance, it was the credit card, debit card, or it was a cash. I have seen the like people has paid into lakhs in the cash. I don't think I have that data anymore because we can't keep the data. So for the demo purpose, I like downloaded some, and you can see over here in the screenshot I put it the accessible evidence and the metadata information related that indicate that it's a public information. And here you can see the potential impact that you generally put. So the privacy violations is there, financial risk, legal consequences, like if you don't patch that, what sort of legal right that they're violating. Reputation damage, that's on top. If that vulnerabilities goes public, it will damage the reputation. And there are some long-term actions. These are into remediations, and this is the immediate action that they need to put. Contact information, acknowledgement, and there you go. The report is over, and this is for only one vulnerabilities. One vulnerability, not for a set of vulnerabilities. Is this bug bounty report? No, this was actually, it's not a bug bounty report. It could have been a bug bounty report, but I didn't got anything from the hospital. I did mention that please give me some bounty, but they didn't. They shush me. Shoo. Don't ever disclose vulnerability in our environment. Well, didn't have the chat or anything related to this, but I think that what they was trying to say. Who would like to get like exposed in their environment? No one. But as a like a user or the customer, it's their responsibility to protect our data. It's not for public. If someone else use like our insurance card information and they are claiming the insurance which you should be actually claiming, and when you are in emergency you are looking for a place that we have the insurance and we can claim that, but you get to know that someone is already claiming that and you have nothing in your bank. So how will you feel that? But people don't understand that. No, they have patched the vulnerability, but we didn't had any other like any progressive conversation after that. So pretty much like I didn't got anything. Rules should get strict, but when it's all about money, who cares about rules, isn't it? Okay. Right, it was a free charity. Actually, my mother was admit there also, so I thought let's do this charity and give it away. Even though they took a pretty hefty amount of money for the operation and some other stuff, for like a week, they ate around how much? If I remember the digits correctly, it was around 1,70,000 something just for the 5 days admission, 5 or 6 days admission. This much they ate quick. See why the insurance company get exploited. Okay, so says there is Tomcat running over the 8080 port. Let's see if we can read the config file there and get any username or password information from there. So because they didn't care about me, I am streaming here to earn something. It's not always you'll get what you're looking for. That's how it will work. Pretty straightforward, right? I think you guys should follow me over Instagram, although I don't stay that much active, but whenever I am, I drop some good information. Let's capture this and we will put this too. Cooking. Hack the box. I don't think HTTP. Is there any hashtag here? Let's see if this works. Oh shit. HTTP. Any message? Okay, nope. Put into the story. Let's check the path for the Tomcat config file. Tomcat conf file path in Linux. Lixu, not Lixu. And it says Tomcat context.xml. Let's see if it's there. No. Does your friend ask hack my GF accounts as you are? Yeah, they do. That's something you would like to ignore. Don't listen to these kinds of requests. Cat. But before that, we need to check what's the Tomcat version is. For that, we need to visit the 8080 page. So let's go for it. Duplicate, remove everything, put 8080 and enter. And it says it's a Tomcat 9. And it's a Tomcat share. Tomcat 9. And we have other info too, like they have given the path for one of the path for few files mentioned below. HTTP. So we will add this here. Are you graduate from bits? Nope. Like I said, I don't have that hefty amount of money to go study there. The day I'll get it, I might enroll for the masters. Follow the rules. Nope, not this one. Example admin. Copy. Paste. We have host HTML. Place separation. And the last one is this. So first we will check this one. Let's check them and see what we'll get. I hope this time we'll get the password. Fingers crossed. Paste, enter. Weird. We're not able to read the files now. Do we need more? Enter. More than this? I think no. Then what about this one? Manager.html. Oof. Wrong endpoint. This shouldn't be here. Let's see what's on these endpoints. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there is a login. Admin. No successful login. Bro, can you guide me in this ethical hacking, as I just only doing CDFs in Hack the Box as I am beginner. Like I said that day, try to like read example. Let's see if it's here somewhere. There are papers that start reading. There are places where you can practice for the skills. Like Hack the Box is one of them. And there is other damn vulnerable apps. You can try those. For example, there is a DVWA. This is a damn vulnerable web application. You can host it in your local end, and you can try practice over here for the basic OWASP related vulnerabilities. So you'll be able to clear the concepts. And before doing that, I would recommend refer to this. Go through this and you will have you'll be able to grasp base of the knowledge, like what is injections, what are like cross-site CSRF and click hijacking, DOM cross, and the relevant stuff that we need into the web application side. Once that's cleared, then you can move on to next step. Now the key here is, or like the question here is, what would you like to do, or what's your interest in? Is it in IoT, where you work around the devices? Is your interest into the web applications API? Is your interest into the network? Like which field basically you would like to make progress in? On basis on that, you can differ into like which sort of knowledge you would like to pursue. So relate example, these, what is this? Source, execute, back, async, session, cookie, execute, look at the source code example, return to the screen, JSP, echo chat. Yo. LS. Who am I? I have a question. There are also domains like red team and blue team. What is this? Red team, like what I am doing right now. Blue team is what people do to protect against what I'm doing right now. So those people look around the alerts if I'm performing any sort of malicious activity that shouldn't be in their environment, so they will try to detect that and try to put hold on my actions. So this is the blue team side work. They create rules, they create regex, they create multiple stuff. On this note, I'll start pretty soon the Let's Defend content also, where you'll be able to understand what's the blue team kind of stuff. There are also time when they will also work around the phishing emails to understand who is sending the emails and what could be the purpose, which links you should click, which link you shouldn't click. There is like pretty hefty amount of work they also do. I have one of friend who is in blue team, and he used to work with us. And before doing live, I'm talking about the last year when I was even doing the live. So we used to sit around like the same time we are sitting right now. Our shift is till 6 p.m. But after 6 p.m. we used to work around with the blue team kind of stuff, where we check the rules, what sort of rules are pinging. I used to try make hits so he can create some new rules within the environment to protect against any sort of alert that can trigger by the same action that I have performed. We used to check what sort of hits are coming into the environment, and we try to investigate those. If there is any malicious hit, then we used to discuss that. So this is kind of the stuff which blue team do. Like basically they are trying to protect the environment from people like us, those who are performing red team's actions. That's why I would say red team work is a bit more complex than the blue team, where you have to always find something new to work around with and always find something new that can break through the wall. The blue team is the one that is creating that wall. So yes. And it says, for security reason, using the manager web application is restricted to user with the role manager GUI, then admin GUI. Users are defined in this, but we are not able to read these files. If I do this, enter. Yes, we are not able to read this. Now we again have hit the wall. Let's see what we can do. Tomcat 9 config file path in Linux. The commands we have run before, let's try those. Context.xml. I think we can try here is fuff. Let's give a shot to the fuff here, but that will be bit better. We won't be able to see the output here, right? Let's see. User.xml. No, we're not looking to that. Copyright, properties, context.xml. Not able to read this. Server.xml. Let's see this. slash do we have where we can find the locate apache.conf apache2.conf. There we go. Let's see if we can get the endpoint from here. There we go. And it says access file name .htaccess. Any other thing that we can check here? Tomcat.conf Tomcat 9 Tomcat 10 Tomcat can we artifact tomcat.yaml? No. We need specifically something for Tomcat. Okay, I thought there was a message. My bad. Share web first, Tomcat password list, Tomcat text, Tomcat all levels, Tomcat web content, multi-gather, Tomcat upload, Tomcat mgr default pass. Apache tomcat.yaml. Let's see if we can check tomcat.yaml as no file like with this name asterisk enter. It won't read. Enter. Where we can see the Tomcat file. Local Tomcat conf. Enter. Enter. Well, we can also check. Let's see. We won't be able to check the path, but is there anything? Let's see if I just do this. etc/hosts. How many slash do I need? Okay, so this is the right one. It should be var dub then the Tomcat or something like HTML, then in there's an application. What we can do is we can try brute force here. So let's copy this endpoint and we have this here. We'll paste it and we will do fuzz, close it. We will remove all sort of extensions, clear. -e I don't think we need. Recursion we don't need. we need threads. What we also don't need is let's change the name over here, Tomcat. Let's just copy this, clear it, paste it, and we will check discover file system common and enter, and we will do -fl fs, which will be 0. If any file size is 0, we would like to, okay, it didn't do, but the file size is 0, then why didn't it stop it? Yo, is this not working? This is weird. L1, enter. I'm still able to work it high. For a beginner on cybersecurity, do you recommend Google Cybers or A+? Google Cybers and A+. Never heard of it, but let's see. Google CYBRS. Did it? Okay, Google Cybersecurity certification. Yeah, this can put like in like pretty heavy weight on your resume because of this name. And A+ certification, Compactia. This is good enough for like getting highlighted into the tools that HR use. So they do mention like Compactia, if there's any certification they use for Compactia. Yeah, this will only handy till then. But if you want to learn from the other sources, because this is just a theoretical scene that you will be covering. Like I just shared with Raj that you should try, if you're like totally beginner, then you should work on TryHackMe. That's the best platform from where you can learn from your beginning steps. And the other one is this itself, the Portswigger, which is from the Burp Suite community, or like Burp Suite owner. These two platforms are best to learn the beginner stuff. And hyphen FL 1 damn 1, enter, and it's still not blocking what it should be blocking. Let's remove this then. Oh, that one, it was for removing the comments. -E, what was this for? I don't remember. Puff, no problem, man. Keep learning. Pipe E. Grab E. Comma separated extensions. Okay. Got it. That's where we was making the mistake. The E shouldn't be there. And everything is good. Cause even was using for the extensions and we don't have any over here. So other than this file system, let's check for this one. 17, got nothing. Then next we will check for the web content in here. Apache Tomcat first.txt. This might work. And don't tell me this wasn't able to find anything too. Okay, empty. Apache fuzz, enter. Those who are watching, guys, please like the stream if you are having fun. If not, tell me why you're not having fun. We'll try to make it fun. I don't know how, but let's see. Oh, there we have the checklist web content. Let's try use these. Paste, enter. Nothing here. Tomcat, all levels, enter. Let's go to the guided mode. How many ports do we have? 3. Boom. Tomcat. Boom. What link leads to page containing the... Oh yeah, it's this one. Ditch one. Huh? Oh, I got it. Why it is not working? Because it needs this link. There you go, brother. B will submit. What URL parameter on the news.php page is vulnerable to? It is LFI, local file inclusion, or it's CSRF. No, SSRF. Which URL? Oh, it's asking for the parameter. It's a file parameter. It's already saying that it's vulnerable to file inclusion. Which system user has user ID this on tabby? Oh yes, we have this. We have the user list, but we didn't print it here. No, we did print it, but we removed it for some reason. No problem. No, there is a problem. We will remove it and we'll see it like this. It is looking for a 3-word. It says, let's see back, 1000. Oh, it's Ash. What the hell? ASH, because that's the user there. And what is saying? What is the full path of Apache Tomcat config file which contain the list of... See, I knew it. We will be looking for that. So, but we didn't get anything from here. Let's try this. Maybe this will able to help us. Copy this. This. And it seems it changed. It changed. Nah, bro. Just give me what I am looking for. Paste it, and there we go. Damn. Whoa. There is so many. What the hell? Like, this will be taking forever. Should I just give it in the... I don't think we will be able to patch it like this. Clear. Collapse. And we need to check in a way that we can pull it out. It has too much in here. Let's check for Tomcat is there, but we don't have the Apache here, so we will get out of this world, whatever. Apache.txt, enter. Oh, this will be finishing right away. Guys, help me look for the Tomcat endpoint. Nginx, Cold Fusion doesn't make sense. Boom. There we have the tomcat.txt, but nothing from here too. Somebody help me. Help me, guys. Although we have something over here. Oh, what is this? Oh, we have a Tomcat document here. I was wasting my time there. And change logs. What is in there? Let's check if we can find the endpoint from here. Let's check setup, manager, host, realms, load balancer, cluster, connection, proxy, monitor and manage, logging. Does this have the endpoint here? Seems no. Oh, there is log access. Cluster, live resources, manager, global resources, credential handler. This might work. we need the endpoint where it's storing the credentials. Do we have it here? No. Let's check in here. Tomcat. Nope. What is this? That's the host. No. What is this? This. Nothing. Mailing. Not here, not here. Oh. From where can we fetch the path? Server. Find help. Tomcat 9. It says an introduction to web application interceptor. First web application. And it says Tomcat config file. It should be in here. Config server.xml. So we'll copy this. Go here. And go all the way up. And we'll put it here alongside the curl. Enter. Got nothing. But if we do this, nothing. This, nothing. This, nothing. Then it should be etc/. Nope. etc/tomcat 9/ enter. Where is it then? I need information on this. Man, this is a headache. Tomcat. Server files. Storage. No, not the server file. Tomcat 9 file, conf file, full path in Linux. Where is tomcat.conf located? If we can get that. Okay, it's user share. Let's try in there. It says user/share, enter. Tomcat 9. Tomcat 1 will work. No. 9. Then I'm not getting like how we gonna identify it, like which endpoint is working. Should we, let's see if we but we don't have it on our local system, so we can't confirm. Let's ask Tomcat user file endpoint. It says conf this. Let's check this is what it is. Tomcat 9. If we check it back, etc/hosts. User share Tomcat. Nope. What it could be then? /enter. /enter. We're not able to get it from anywhere. Oof. Let's see. We are here. etc/ if you're looking into this Tomcat 9, I don't think this is the one, but Tomcat 9, enter. Let's try this. user/share/enter. Do we have something in user with the name of etc? Let's see. ls/user. We don't have etc in there. Where we can check here, and we have something etc. Nope, it's a Tor, but not the Tomcat. User share. usr/share. The only option is we can try by installing apt install Tomcat, and I think it will be the same stuff. Sudo. Yes. We'll uninstall it afterwards. Whoa. There we go. This is the endpoint. Now let's see if we can get it. Locate, paste, enter. Tomcat, and we didn't update it yet, so it was a sudo update db, enter. This will update the paths, and it seems it's a damn big one, so it's taking time. Whoever is watching, thanks for being here, bro. If you're watching, would you like to consider subscribing and liking the video? Okay, now we have it. Let's locate this, and there we go. We have a few endpoints. User share Tomcat etc. Let's try this. paste, enter. Oh, we are working on 9, so it should be this. We got it. We got it. And what does it say is role username, password must be changed, and there is role admin GUI, username Tomcat, and we have the password. Boom. Now let's update the write-up. But after looking around for so long, I decided to install Tomcat on local to get the correct path. And from there I actually got the let's do this. We'll keep everything that we have done. Yep. This. SNIP snap. Next I tried locating the file endpoint mentioned in port 8080 Tomcat page, and that's and we did update. Okay, it wasn't able to find anything here. We made an update and then it was able to find it. Cut, paste, and next, now that we have the endpoint, we have the file content, we'll fix this. Let's try to locating the file endpoint mentioned in the file. So what's the endpoint in there? It's tomcat users.xml, tomcat -users.xml, and for that I tried using locate command and got the correct endpoint. Then next I tried to use the same endpoint with just change of version number from 10 to 9 and got this. So we got this. So and this file contain the username and password for the GUI login. Bold. And we'll add that in table. Username, password, and we're gonna put it here. The password is this. Now let's use this to try login over the Tomcat service on the web page endpoint, and can also test on SSH. SSH, ASH at this, enter, and copy this. Yes. It won't work on, what do we say, SSH, because it's because the SSH need a login key to work with. So the only option is login over the web login service on port 8080 at this endpoint. So we will remove this and go back here, get here, copy this, and paste the endpoint. Now if I'll use Tomcat here, and the password over here, take the screenshot, paste the password. Doesn't look good. Now slide, yeah, there. It should look good here. There we go. And copy, paste here. Now let's log in, sign in. And we are in. Let's see if this version of Tomcat has any exploit registered here. And the version is this is the version on it. So damn it. So first we'll check on no search exploit. If we don't get anything from there, then we'll go to Google. But the best option is go to Google first. So we'll clear everything. Now we have the version of Tomcat. We will do search exploit Tomcat, and the version is 9.0.31. Enter. It didn't give anything, and we have this. Let's check for the 9 specifically, and we got some stuff. Oof. Now what should we do? We are looking for only version 9, which makes sense, is this one. Open redirect. It's 9.0.31. So what will work is after or before, like after these version, or maybe this one of these will work, who knows. And there we have a paper over here, hardening and messing with Win32 Apache Tomcat. Might be worth reading. We can give a shot, but don't have time. So what we will do is remote code execution via JSP upload bypass metasploit. And I guess we can try this. What do you say? Well, no one is watching, so I guess I'm the one who should be making the judgments. And let's see, what functionalities do we have? Alias name bias. Ouch, my feet. Host name manager HTML. Ouch, my head is itching. And it says manager web app, host manager web app. Okay, we are in here, and we are not in here. Let's check this one too, if we'll be able to log in on this with the same credentials. Copy and paste, login. And we was able to log in. The role manager GUI. And for example, to add this, access denied, CSRF. If you already configured the Manager application. Bookmarks, cross-site request for you protection that has been enabled. Okay, this file must contain the credential to let you conf tomcat users.xml. This is what we just accessed a moment back, right? Tomcat. No, this is a different one. Conf. Let's check this too. Okay. etc tomcat user.xml. Okay, it didn't work, only this endpoint worked. So what we can do, close this. I remember that there is a functionality to upload stuff. Let's see if we can. Localhost. No. Manager help. Version alias persistence message failed to persist configuration. Please enable store config to use this feature. Server status. And do we have anything here? Get manager status Apache and whatever, or this endpoint. List applications. Multiplayer snake board and other stuff. Oh. CSRF token. Persist. Let's see server status. And if we try to access this one, I guess it's the same URL. It's the same stuff. Complete server status, manager help. Don't think that's going to work, but let's see if we can find the upload stuff. Find load. No. Oh, there we have localhost doc example manager host manager. Let's check this. Manager, it should be host manager. localhost name. Invalid host name. Message. It's 110.10.16.3 test and test. Add. And it says message failed to create app base directory for host test. Okay, let's do this and we'll give this name a test. Failed to create test directory for host this. Test and test. Failed. Content.xml. Save current config including server.xml. What's in this? Server.xml. Message. Heap, memory and stuff. And the next one is context.xml. What's in there? Context.xml. Remove this, enter. Sheesh. Manager jamx proxy. Username Tomcat and the secret. Should we try that? From where we can log out. Message okay. Over here it's gonna redirect. Apache. Man, I think this is enough for today. We're gonna look for what other stuff Apache can do. It's 3 hours already. So we will make progress from here tomorrow. And those who are here, thanks for being here. And those who have watched earlier, thank you guys for your attendance. And those who are gonna watch, I hope you'll enjoy the stream, cause all the streams I'm doing contain the struggle, and rather the struggle, it contained the information that are you ending the stream? Yes, I'm ending the stream. It's 3 hours in and we are half in this box. So yes, I'm ending the stream. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. If you're having if you're in daytime, have a great day. Nighttime, have a great nighttime. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're watching this afterwards or right now, don't forget to like the stream if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Do 24 hours. Maybe in future if I'll reach like considerable subscribers. Let's see how much I have right now. Give me what people look for, and why not? 24 hours is not a big deal. Let's see where we are right now. Still long way back. Only 300 subscriber gain. Let's see. This shows the clear data. See? Too much lagging right now. Kaisent. I have a private life, man. I don't wanna spoil that. But yeah, whenever I'm doing the security stuff, why not? We can do that. But help me like clear this milestone, then maybe I'll think it. Won't be able to do the 24 hours, but out of 24 hours, maybe 6 hours or 7 hours a day. That's not impossible. So let's see if I can clear these milestones. Go for maybe 12 hours then. Yeah, it all depends if we can reach these milestones, and afterwards I might be able to cut these streams out and give the people like the only working content, rather what I'm struggling trying to Google and stuff and do whatever. So I'll try to cut the chat that we do. I'll put that behind the only members stuff, and those will be able to see like the whole live stream there then. Until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for being here, B-boy. You should stream for 1 more hour. You can end stream at 4 hours 20 minutes. Actually, bro, I could, but it's a Sunday today, and you can see the time here right now, and tomorrow I have a work hour, so I won't be able to extend this anymore. So I have to do work. That's why I said if I can complete this milestone, I might be able to relieve from the work and do some other stuff, and I can teach more to the people that I'm more interested in. Because even if you're teaching right now, you can't teach everything for free if you don't have anything in your pocket. How are you gonna pay the bills, right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day or night, B-boy. See you tomorrow. And with this, I'll end the stream. Bye-bye.